Use your brain, Ted.
Wow. Okay, Seattle.
Back home in Minnesota, a ton of people get married at the Mall of America. It's great. It's a gorgeous indoor golf course for pictures, numerous fine dining options, and talk about a reasonable
We're
price.
not getting married
Well,
at the
just
mall.
meet with the guy. Oh, man.
Oh my God. Are you gonna cry?
No?
No.
I don't want to get slapped again.
Plus, it's getting late. It's already slap o'clock.
What the hell was that?
Then I was hungry again, so I went down to the vending machine, but by the time I got down there, I wasn't even hungry anymore.
Aww.
Oh. That's one.
It's you?
Yes. I had one minor hit.
The robot! Hey! Relax, dude. I'm just going for my soda, man. Take it easy. This is gonna be fun.
Oh man, I'm so excited. I couldn't sleep last night. I bet you guys couldn't either.
What'd you expect? You've seen my penis.
Don't get too cocky, Slappy.